to archive your email messages in Office 365 account. Archiving Office 365 emails can be done in several ways. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 2 easiest methods, and by the end, I'll also introduce a professional solution to archive multiple Office 365 mailboxes in bulk. Let's get started. First method, archive mails in Microsoft Outlook to local drive. First, open your Outlook app. Then navigate to the File tab. Here in the Mailbox Settings section, toggle down the Tools menu and click on the Clean Up Old Items option. Archive Wizard opens. Make sure that the Archive This folder and all subfolders option is selected. Below that, select the email folder which you want to archive. You can see in my case, the Inbox folder is selected by default, so I am not going to select any other. You can select any other folder as per your needs. Now in the Archive Items Older Than field, specify a date and the emails older than that date will be archived. If you have previously marked emails as Do Not Auto Archive and want to archive those emails also, then make sure to select this checkbox. Then click on the Browse button. Specify a destination where you want to save the archive file and click OK. Now, in the Archive Wizard, click OK. Archive will be started at once. It may take some time to finish the archive process. It completely depends on how much email data you are archiving. Once the archive is completed successfully, the archive PST file will be saved on your selected location. So, this is how you can archive Office 365 emails using the Outlook app. Now let's learn the next method. Second method, by using Exchange Admin Center. First, log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In the left sidebar, click on Show All. Scroll down and click on Exchange. Exchange Admin Center opens. Here, make sure that under the Recipients tab, the Mailboxes menu is selected. In this Manage Mailboxes wizard, you will find your mailboxes. Simply just click on your mailbox. Now in this wizard, click on the Others tab. Here, click on the Manage Mailbox Archive option. Generally, it stays disabled by default. Simply turn it on. Enter a name, and click on the Save button. You can see mailbox archiving is successfully updated. This way you can archive emails using the Exchange Admin Center. If you need to archive mailboxes in bulk and if you are looking for a professional software, you can try out Regain Office 365 to PST Converter software. From our official website, you can easily get a free trial of this software. After you install the software, you will see this interface. Here, simply click on the Account Login option. You can see 2 login methods are available. If you go with the basic authentication, simply select your server type, enter your username, password, and click on Login Now to continue. For this tutorial, I will go with the multi-factor authentication method. Simply click on the Login Now button. Here, enter your Office 365 email address and click Next. Now enter the password and click on the Sign In button. You can see the Office 365 account is successfully connected, and all the folders are imported here. Now click on the Mailbox Backup option. Here as Export Format, select PST. You can also export as other formats as well if you ever needed. Click on Browse, select the destination where you want to save the output PST file, and click OK. Finally, click on the Download Now button. Archiving will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your local device. That's for today.